Hello everyone, Rebecca here with another monstery arty idea for you. And as always, it's going to be made by recycling and reusing some old bits and pieces that you'll have lying around at home. There's one other thing we'll need. Our good friend Murphy.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a strawberry puppet. As well as these tissue boxes, we'll need some coloured card, a pen, stickers and paint.
I love painting.
Great! Let's start by painting the tissue boxes. As this is a strawberry, paint it red.
Splish, splosh, monster painty. Bum, 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 bum.
While we leave these to dry, take the green paper and slowly rip it into long triangles.
Bum, 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 bum. Hey!
Let's make the strawberry puppet's mouth. Make sure the tissue box holes are facing each other like this. Now glue on a rectangle of paper.
Gluey, gluey, sticky, sticky.
And we've made a bendy hinge.
Now it's time for the green triangles.
That's right, Murphy. We'll fold the ends.
Gluey, gluey, gluey.
And stick them to one of the boxes.
Look at its funny spiky hair.
Our strawberry puppet needs some details. Let's add some dots with a pen and some stickers for eyes. One sensational strawberry puppet all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!